Excited to watch this documentary. How many are you from another state? Wow. Yeah. So, Atlanta, Georgia.
Wow.
Where? North Carolina.
Iowa. Oh my God.
Oh
Iowa.
my God.
But where else? Huh?
Easy, Arizona's here.
Manitoba?
Ay, layo nun ah.
Japan?
Okay. So first of all, thank you for coming. This very eventful event. Event pa. Rule number one, please do not take pictures while you are watching and do not videotape. For those who will, we will eject you from the theater as soon as we see you. The next screening for this will be in December 8th at the Bal Theater. I think there are some here who are from San Francisco that are also here. So thank you for coming as well. This is brought to you by Star Media Entertainment, international artists, and TGN group of companies, also Onesie Entertainment, and okay. I guess after the screening, there will be available T-shirts. Meron pang, it's only limited, so if you see this, maybe next year when they have the U.S. Canada tour, maybe they can sign this. So we have a space here. The space, the yellow one, and we have a black and white T-shirts. Okay. Any questions?
Everyone's excited?
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you
Enjoy
guys.
the film.
Thank you, thank you.
Woohoo! Pagtatag!